Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will explain how to troubleshoot if Counter-Strike 2 fails to launch. If you face this error while trying to play Counter-Strike 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, I'll advise you to check your system requirements to ensure they meet Counter-Strike 2's specifications. Now open the Steam app screen and scroll down to check the detailed system requirements. If your system aligns with the minimum specifications, you should be able to play Counter-Strike 2 without issues. If your system meets the requirements, proceed to the next step. The next step is to ensure your video and graphics drivers are up to date. Go to your desktop screen, click on the search icon at the bottom left corner, type Device Managers and select it. Once the Device Manager is opened, click on the Display Adapters option to view your graphics drivers. Click on your graphics driver and select the Update Driver option. Then click the Search Automatically for Drivers option to update your graphics card with the latest updates. The next step is to check for any available updates for your Windows operating system. Again, go to the search icon, type Update and click on Check for Updates. Windows Update System, including drivers, might prevent Counter-Strike 2 from launching. If you update your system, restart your PC. After your PC is restarted, attempt to launch Counter-Strike 2 to verify if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, go to the Steam app. Click on the Library option, then right-click on Counter-Strike 2 and select Properties. Verify that all game files are correct and without issues. In the Properties menu page, navigate to the Installed Files menu on the left side and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will identify and rectify any incorrectly installed or corrupted files. Once this process is complete, restart your system and relaunch Counter-Strike 2 to check if the issue has been resolved. If this guide has been helpful, and if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.